Okay, keep it down. What do you want me to do now?
I'm doing like a deadlift first time.
Ah,
क्या गलत हो रहा
keep
है
the
कैसे?
bar straight. Now, ideally, you should not be deadlifting in this spongy shoes.
ठीक है.
It should be flat feet or flat sole like this.
Should I take off my shoes or
Yeah,
something?
you should. Stance has to be shoulder width apart. Shoulder width apart. Closer, closer. So you can take these as reference
Okay.
and stand in the center. है ना?
Okay.
Toes slightly pointing out. Slightly, very so slightly. हाँ.
Should go like this.
No, no, no.
Like this.
Ideally, either you can go like this,
Okay.
but your hand should be outside your legs,
Okay.
not inside.
Okay.
Okay. Either like this. Don't rush. I'm showing you. Either like this or like this. You can go like this also. It requires practice. For now, you go like this. Fixed grip. है ना? And hand should be outside the legs. So you will be holding just here. Okay. Outside the legs, but as close as possible. Not wide. The wider you hold, it becomes difficult to pull heavier weights. You will bend down and just take your grip. You will touch your shin to the bar. So if there is a space between the bar and your shins, even though you are trying to touch it, and if still there is a space, so then you move a little forward. Bus. And why are you rushing? I didn't ask you to pull. Okay. Now again. You are standing way too closer. Come a little behind. Now this is way too far. Ah. So now from here you are going to check where the bar is on your feet. This thing is under the bar, right? So always you have to make sure, no matter what the weight, always you have to make sure that this thing has to be under the bar. Always, whatever weight you put, you got to make sure that this thing has to be under the bar. Now go and hold it again. है ना? Now shins to the bar. ठीक है? Now chin up. Chin up. ठीक है? Now you will not sit back, okay? You will not sit back, okay? You will raise your hips slightly. Here, here. Your shoulder has to be over the bar. If you sit down, your shoulders are going behind the bar, which we don't want. You have to raise your hips slightly. Raise it slightly. Now take a big breath. Bar will not go away from you. Bar will not go. Bar will stay close to you. Chin up. Okay. Now take a big breath. Push the floor down with your legs. You will stand up automatically. Take a big breath. Push fast. It's light. Put it down. If I have to do it, I have taken my grip. Everything is set. From here, I take a breath and I just stand. That's it. That's it. Put it down.
रुकते नहीं है. Then they just like keep 10 reps.
No, you have to keep it down.
Keep it down.
That's when it's deadlift. So try again. Stand in the center. See, you're closer this side. Now it's better. No, you should not move the bar. You should come close to the bar. Bus. Shin to the bar. ना. Shin to the bar मतलब ये shin को पास लाया ऐसा नहीं. Shin to the bar is like bending your knee little bit. बस. So it's good. What did I tell you? That the bar has to be above your feet over here. है ना? This is your ideal position. You get it? Now from here, just do the chest up, chin up, and just stand. That's it. Go again. Do more reps. You don't have to leave the grip. You have to hold the grip and just keep going.
And when we come down, we just have to, because there's this thing that people say कि यार वो एकदम back पे आ जाता है. So like, what's the position when we come down? Like,
It's the same position. You don't have to think. You just have to go down. That's it.
back would be like pretty straight. Arch.
No, nothing. Back has to be neutral. Don't pull it away. Pull close to your body. No? Now go straight down. Again, the bar has to be close to the body. That's it. Just pull straight up. Just stand up. See, again, you're moving it away. Why are you? Now it's because it's light. You are able to, drag the bar. Just because it's light, you are able to drag the bar away from you. When it gets heavy, you won't be able to do this. Bar has to be close to your body and just stand up. That's it. See? It's so close. Same way up, same way down. Keep the bar close to the body. Yes. Go, go, go. Keep going. Yeah. Good. Much better. That's it. You got it. That's it. Now keep practicing. Look straight. Look straight. Yeah. And just stand. Keep your weight in the center of the foot. आगे भी नहीं पीछे भी नहीं. Not bad. So wait. Go down. Go down. Take your position. Don't go off. Take the position. So you are here. You have to be here, and hips slightly up. Bas. Chin up and stand. Yeah, much better. Again, you're sitting. Your hips has to be up. You're sitting like this. If you sit,
And the set we don't have to sit.
no. In squat, you sit. In this, you have to be here. Just stand. It will take a while, but keep practicing.
What's your name?
Yash.
Thank you.
You are?
Meet.
Meet.
Training since how long?
15 years.
Damn, yeah.
चलता है.
You coach also?
Yeah, I'm a freelancer.
Also, what's your full name?
Yash Jadhav.
Yes, okay, I'll follow you.
Instagram is CrickFit Yash. Cricket, fitness, and Yash.
You play cricket also?
I used to.
Same, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah,
What did you play?
cricket.
Yeah,
At the level you asked.
level.
Nothing crazy, just school team. School team.
Still good. Any sport is good. Chalo.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.